Okay, I'm going to do a quick video for you guys. I'm installing a fiber channel card, and I first attempted to install the fiber channel into this card down here, and you can see I even put the SFPs in there, and that was not correct. They actually have to go into a regular card. The card that's built into this HP server, it looks like it would work with it, but it's some other technology. I think it's fiber channel over Ethernet, or it'll just take regular Ethernet SFPs. But anyways, to get this done, super simple. You just undo these. You just pick them up and spin them. To put them in, you just do this. You put it down and that. But anyways, you just take out the riser. Super easy. Just yank it out. And then you can see here, you just install the card in. I'll pause it for a second. Okay, my card came with a half-height bracket, and you can see here, I do have other full-height brackets. Unfortunately, there are some little, right here on the edge, you can see there are some, maybe you can see it, there's some LEDs that stick out that do indication, and this one has custom cutouts for that. And this one does not. So for now, I'm going to install it without a bracket. It's still pretty sturdy. It's just sitting in the slot. I don't think there'll be a problem just for Homelab use. So I'll just go ahead and put in each of one of these here. Get those inserted, clamp down. And this is so I can learn with my brocade switch that I have over here. So I can learn fiber channel and setting up fiber channel networks. I have an EMC VNX device that I'm going to plug it into that has 15 drives on it. Just for learning. I don't plan on storing data in that format other than test data, just for fun. But anyways, you can see that. I'll go ahead and get this inserted. Be right back. You can see it's all inserted now. Plugged in, went in super easy. Just one caveat to it. When you're plugging this in, these sometimes the angle is weird on this. So when you put it in, it's more this way than you think it is. Anyways, you'll know it's right when these go in super easy and they screw right into place. Okay, you can see I got it plugged in there. I've got it plugged in the switch. So now we will go ahead and power it up and see if it recognizes it. Here's the power on volume level when you first power on just the brocade switch. Not too bad. I'll go ahead and plug in my VGA cable here for the so I can see any messages when it first powers on. You see I've got my test monitor here. Let's go ahead and power it up and see what we get. Pause this while it comes up. While it's booting up, I'll mention I have I'm fairly hardware agnostic. I've got HP here for my learning lab. My production server is a R730, another R730 for AI stuff. You know, I've got some EMC stuff over here. This is going to be some Cisco gear that I'm working on, moving RAM from this one, which used to be a Cisco ISE. I got it super cheap. It came with a fair amount of RAM, so I'm going to move it to this box that was also super cheap. These are really good value if you just need a home lab and you're not worried about, you know, learning a specific technology for the for the server format. You can get these for like $50 with processors. Of course, you're not going to get any RAM for that price today with the new RAM prices, but I've also got a Lenovo server here and an IBM, and they are both. Oh, I got that backwards actually. That's the IBM. Lenovo's on top. Both of them are good machines also, but mostly I like the Dell servers. They're pretty solid. We can see here it has found the fiber channel adapter, so that's good. Okay, well, the good news is all the hardware is in and running, and the bad news is I don't don't know the IP address. So what I'm going to do is I am going to reset this to defaults probably, or before I do that, I'm going to use this port right here. That's the console port, like a normal Cisco console cable will work with it. And I will console into it with PuTTY first and see if I can get the IP address that way. Otherwise, once I know the IP address, I'll be able to administer it here through the Ethernet cable. And I'll do a follow-up video and let you guys see the interface and any kind of like newbie type of problems getting everything working. So anyways, thanks for watching.